Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need two things now: your Apple ID address and access to a trusted phone or device. Once ready, go to iForget. Apple. Calm or Open Settings and tap Password and Security to start. Enter your Apple ID, then follow prompts. Choose to receive a verification code on a trusted device or number. If you used a recovery key, note that you must have it. This is the first actionable step. Start the official recovery flow immediately and make sure your contact method. Once you enter your ID, Apple will ask for verification. You must either approve a prompt on a trusted device, enter a sent code, or provide the recovery key. If those fail, request account recovery. This queues your case and preserves security while Apple verifies your identity. You'll get a confirmation with an estimated wait time and instructions. Make sure to record the case ID. Keep monitoring your phone and email, because waiting patiently is part of completing the secure recovery. When Apple allows access, create a strong new password and immediately review password and security settings. Sign back into each device and update saved passwords for Mail, iCloud, and iTunes. Once done, enable two-factor authentication if it's not active and consider adding a recovery contact. If recovery stalls or you don't receive updates, contact Apple support with your case ID and proof of purchase. That one troubleshooting tip often speeds resolution when automated recovery cannot verify identity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.